After I've collected 100 microliters of protein in that 1 microcentrifuge tube, I'm going to get an equal volume of deionized water in another microcentrifuge tube, and I'm going to transfer that to my first microcentrifuge tube. So I'll take 100 microliters of deionized water, add it to 100 microliters of my known protein sample. I'm going to pipette that up and down a couple of times to thoroughly mix it. Then I'm going to have a total of approximately 200 microliters in this microcentrifuge tube. So I'm going to take 100 microliters out. I'm going to put that into here, into my second microcentrifuge tube. Now in that second microcentrifuge tube, what I need to do is then get 100 microliters of deionized water. Transfer that into here. Thoroughly mix this second microcentrifuge tube, or the contents of the second microcentrifuge tube, take 100 microliters out, and add it to my third microcentrifuge tube. Now again, get 100 microliters of deionized water, and add it to my third microcentrifuge tube. Now one thing that you're not really seeing is every single time that I do this, I'm getting a new pipette tip. You always want to use a new pipette tip when you're making these dilutions. Okay, so I'm going to now take 100 microliters out of microcentrifuge tube number 3, put that 100 microliters into centrifuge tube number 4, get a new microcentrifuge tube, or tip, I'm sorry, a pipette tip, get 100 microliters of water, add it to there. Okay, so now the last pipette transfer is 100 microliters from microcentrifuge tube number 4 into tube number 5. All right, so now what I have is 4 tubes. The last one, I need to add 100 microliters of deionized water to make sure that it's the proper dilution. Okay, so in all of my microcentrifuge tubes, my volumes are going to be the exact same. Here's 1, here's 2. Here's 2, here's 3. Here's 3, here's 4. The only one that's going to be different is my very last microcentrifuge tube. Here's 4, here's 5. Now the reason that 5 has a greater volume is because I transferred 100 additional microliters from the deionized water into tube number 5. And I did that because I wanted to dilute sample number 5. Because I took 100 microliters from 4, put it into 5. Whenever I took 100 microliters from 4 and put it into 5, the concentration was the exact same. It only changed when I added my last 100 microliters of deionized water to tube number 5.